In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into X Twitter using your Google account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to X or simply want to use your Google account for ease, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is up, go to the search bar at the top. Type in X Twitter and hit the enter key. This should bring up a list of search results where you'll see X Twitter's link as the first result. Go ahead and click on this link to get to the X Twitter website. Now that you're on the X Twitter homepage, look towards the section where you usually see login options. Here you should notice a button that says sign up with Google. This is the option we'll be using to connect your Google account with X Twitter. Click on it and it will take you to a new page where Google prompts you to choose your account. At this point you'll see a list of Google accounts you're currently signed into on your device. If you see the account you want to use, just click on it. If your desired account isn't listed, select use another account and enter those credentials. After selecting your Google account, you'll be directed to a screen where you need to click on continue to confirm your choice. The next step is straightforward but important. You'll be asked to enter your birth date. Make sure to input the correct information as it might be used for account recovery or verification purposes in the future. Once you've entered your birth date, look for the sign up button and click it. After clicking sign up, your account will be verified and you'll be redirected back to X Twitter. And that's it, you are now logged into X Twitter using your Google account. This means you can start exploring and engaging with content on X without having to remember another set of login credentials. Remember, logging in with Google can be a convenient option, particularly if you frequently switch between devices or if you already use Google services extensively. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, checking X's help section or reaching out to their support can provide further guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.